Hello everyone, today we're going to make this super cute mug rug and I'm going to show you all the steps. First thing you need to do is go ahead and baste all of your hexies. You're going to need 2 flower centers and then you're going to need your petals. Let's see if I can do this the same. So what I've done is I've gotten all my fabrics opposite each other from the center. So I'll go petal, center, petal, another center. So this is actually the layout that you're going to use to sew these together. This one here, I've already sewn around the center and it looks like maybe one of the sides. So what you're basically going to do, sew this seam and then sew this seam. And as you can see, that flower center is going to lay next to that. Sew this seam and then sew that seam. Sew this seam and then this one. Eventually you're going to end up with something kind of crazy looking like this. So you've got all your petals, center and center. So as you can see, it's starting to take shape. Of course, it's inside out. Now, once you have all of these sewn, or almost all of them, you want to leave some of your seams open so that you can turn it inside out. So I think I'm actually at the point where I want to go ahead and take out my papers. I like to leave them in as long as I can, just because remember, when you cut these fabrics, you have the straight of the grain, and then you have bias edges. And of course, the bias edges are the ones that are going to stretch out a little bit more. Okay, so now, one more. I've got all my pieces out. So you can kind of see it looks like a mug rug. Now I also have my batting cut to the same shape. And I'm going to try to do this the way I did the pot holders, where I lay it on top and then just try to flip this around onto it. I hope you can see what's going on here. And then just smooth it into shape. And I think everything has kind of stayed into the proper places. Looks like it has. And now you can see I'm just going to go through and do a baseball stitch around these. And then if you look at my finished one, you can see that I've actually quilted along this center just to give it a nice finish. Anyway, I hope you have fun making these. I had fun making the video. If you like it, please go ahead and like the video. I would love if you subscribed. And when you do subscribe, you do get notification of all of my new videos. Please feel free to share this video as well. Thanks and happy sewing.